to the homestead. Glad you're with us.
So this part of the day, I'm going to be doing a menial task. Anyway, I'm replacing all of these solar step lights. They've been on here for about a year or so, and they've all but I think one of them hasn't died yet. But all the rest of them had, so I'm going to replace them all. We get them pretty cheap, real cheap, less than $1 a piece, probably out of China. And that would be why they probably don't last. That and, you know, they're solar. They just bake in the sun all the time.
Yeah, they do.
And they get hit with the weed whacker. Weed whacker. It's not a weed whacker. It's a weed eater. And they get hit with the weed eater from time to time. Probably a lot when we weed eat around these steps. Anyway, they're very handy because they do light up the path of the step at night when it's dark. So it keeps us from tripping over them. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do. Got several boxes of them. Just going to start replacing them. 2 screws, real simple. Well, I can tell you why this one doesn't work. No, the old one.
Not work?
No, it works now.
Huh.
The little spring thing that goes on the back of the battery
Yeah.
popped out.
Oh.
So it wasn't touching the back of the battery.
Oh.
So I guess we'll keep them for backup. It also has a lot bigger battery in it. Since I got this one working again, I'm going to put it back in a little plastic bag so that I know it's good. And then any of them that I get working, I'll just put in a box. And we'll save them for backups. I think I see the problem with this one. It's missing its cover. And everything's gotten damaged badly. And it popped out. Okay, got rid of all the burnable stuff. Well, it's all burnable, but all the stuff we're planned on burning. I'm going to knock these down into long but single pieces and put them on the wood pile with the other really long pieces we've got. So I've got my little electric chainsaw out because it's just easier sometimes, and it's lightweight, quick. Anyway, so let's get on with this. Well, okay, that does it for the trees. And the burn piles, they'll burn themselves out. They're almost done anyway. You know, when I was young, I used to poke fun at my dad because he would spend a lot of time cutting up cardboard boxes and putting them in the trash. And I used to think that was such a waste of time. And then recycling came around because that was something new. And okay, I kind of understood a little bit. Now, he did take it kind of to the next level. He actually drew lines on his cardboard boxes, and so he cut everything in the same size. Now granted, he was an engineer, and maybe that's what had to do with it, or that's why he did what he did. I don't know. I don't get that crazy, but I do cut up boxes. I cut them up all the time. Cut them up here so they fit in our trash better. I cut them up at work so they fit in the compactor better. Just something I do now, thanks to Dad. We sure thank you for watching. God bless you. We'll see you next time on the homestead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment. We'll see you next time. Bye now.